All right, let's annotate. So Monica says function is linear because the rate of change increases by 1 for every step. Do you agree or disagree? So let's go ahead and find the rate of change 3 times. Here's my first one. I'm going to go ahead and label these just in case. Some of us don't need to do this anymore. Some steps we can do in our head, right? The better we get, the more we do things. But just for anyone who might be stuck, I'm going to show all the steps. So I have 4 minus 0 for y2 minus y1 and 2 minus 0 for x2 minus x1. That gives me 4 over 2. So this slope is 2. I'm going to find the slope again. I'm going to use the next 2 points. Switch colors so it's not confusing for you. This is my new x1 and x2 and my new y1 and y2. So this time I have 15 minus 9 over 6 minus 4. What is that? 6 over 2, which is 3. So I actually don't even need to find my slope a third time because they're different. This is 2 and this is 3. So this will not be linear. So do you agree with Monica? So no, I disagree with Monica. Period. Now, there's a few reasons why I disagree with her, but the first, I'm just going to say this is not linear because the rate of change is not constant. But Monica also said the rate of change is increasing by 1 for every step. Now, I don't know if she means it's going to be 2, then 3, then 4, or if she means the rate of change was 1 each time. I'm not sure. But either way, she's wrong. So I'm just going to put the reason that I know for sure. The function is not linear because the slope is not constant or the rate of change is not constant. So it is not linear because it is not constant. Got to pay attention on your exit ticket because it might, the is and is not. You have to read it carefully so you don't make a silly mistake. But that's it for this lesson. So now you're going to have your exit ticket. It's going to ask you some definitions. Please go back to the vocab and double check. Do not guess. You haven't memorized it yet. And then the second problem is going to be one that you need to solve. So that's the one you're going to show work for. And that's it.